Welcome back to Garden Ninja for another behind the scenes look at my garden design process. Now today's an interesting garden design for me because I don't get to do them very often, but it's a very formal knot garden. And I'm going to take you behind the scenes and show you how I watercolour up the final design. But before we start, it's probably important to give you a few tips as to what a knot garden is. So a knot garden is a very traditional formal style of garden design that loosely uses patterns often found in knots, and everything is very symmetrical, very formal and manicured to within an inch of its life. So when you look at this design, you should be able to see the difference between some of the more informal and natural work that I usually do. Then looking at this, it's like the complete opposite. So keep that in mind as you watch it, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. If you've not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the red subscribe button below, where you'll get access to over 120 garden design hints, tips and hacks. And best of all, it's free, so subscribe today. So there we have it, the finished formal garden, and it does look very different to my usual style, but it's really exciting to be able to get out of my usual design comfort zone and into a new area and start to really flex my design muscles. If you've liked this video, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel below, click the subscribe button, and then you can look at over 100 garden design hints, tips and hacks videos to help you make your garden awesome. I've been Garden Ninja, happy gardening.